Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Volkswagen Passat. First, gather your essential tools: a 27mm wrench, a new oil filter, and about 5 quarts of the correct engine oil. Make sure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is slightly warm. This helps the old oil drain more effectively. Finally, locate the oil drain plug and the oil filter housing, usually underneath the engine. Now let's get that old oil out. Place a large drain pan directly under the oil drain plug. Using your 27mm wrench, carefully remove the plug and let all the old engine oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. While it's draining, inspect the drain plug gasket. If it looks worn or cracked, it's a good idea to replace it with a new one for a proper seal. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Use an oil filter wrench to carefully remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it about a quarter turn more. Finally, pour approximately 5 quarts of the correct new engine oil into the engine's fill port. You're almost done. Reinstall the drain plug securely and wipe away any spilled oil. Start your engine and let it run for a few minutes, then carefully check for any leaks around the new oil filter and the drain plug. Turn off the engine, wait about 5 minutes for the oil to settle, and then check the oil level using the dipstick. Top off with a small amount of oil if needed, and you're all set.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.